a suit of armor so advanced it's been perfected over millions of years. In the wild, certain creatures developed a remarkable solution: overlapping, flexible plates that shield them from predators and harsh environments. These tough coverings, composed of keratin or bone, act as both protection and camouflage, allowing swift movement without sacrificing defense. Their intricate patterns and textures evolved to ward off attacks, resist injuries, and even help regulate body temperature. This natural armor stands as one of evolution's most ingenious defenses, inspiring human designs for centuries.